cookies. We're gonna be washing our hands.
You're gonna wash your hands first?
Yes.
Great idea.
We are gonna cream, sugar, and butter together, starting with 1 cup of butter. Yeah. Now we're gonna start with butter, take 2. We're gonna start creaming it.
Oops, what happened?
I dropped it. I was
Okay,
wondering.
okay. Oh dear.
Now what?
Well, it's a good thing we have a dog.
Now I need to wash my hands.
All right.
I'm all cleaned up. I'm ready to fry again. Pardon me?
Good job.
Now I need to wash my hands again. That wasn't bad for food. Let's mix these puppies up. Let's sniff it. Yucky. Pour the whole thing in. Next, add salt into the flour. Strong, 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 strong. We're going carefully to the mixer. And our spoon is in there.
What happened?
Bubble now. That was pretty crazy. Let's add the oats. Time for the chocolate chips, but let's test them for. Let's test them. Those ones are good. And those ones are good. We're ready to put them on a cookie sheet. For it to cool. Let's give it a try. It tastes like brown sugar. Thank you, Watcher Baking with Benny. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Giggles.